Hi, I'm Steve Pizzati and I run a company called Sportiva, and we run track days and manufacturer drive days and even do film and television work. And what's interesting about all the track days that we run is that we always seem to run into the same questions. The most common one is, what should I do before I go to a track day? How should I prepare? And the best thing you can do, of course, is get your car professionally checked. Tell your mechanic what you're doing and the sort of track you're going to be on. Is going to be hard on brakes and tyres particularly. But also talk to your instructors beforehand. Don't be shy to reach out and ask them about what they'll need specifically about where you're going to be. So number one, ask a lot of questions. And then once you're there, the best advice I can give to anyone that's doing a track day, particularly for the first time, is to take your time. Don't be impatient to be going quick early on. It's funny how many crashes that we have on our drive days at 9:01 a.m. when the gates are open and people are just wanting to go bull at the gate and the car's not ready, and more importantly, their mind's not ready either. So you've got all day at a track day, so use that opportunity to build up to your pace and what you're comfortable with. Don't do too much too quickly. That's a real key. The car I'm currently driving, by the way, is a Ford Fiesta ST, and I think this is almost the perfect introduction track car for a track like this. We're at Haunted Hills in Victoria, which is like a roller coaster, as you can see here, up and down, quite twisty and tight. And this car is absolutely brilliant. 1.5 litre 3-cylinder, quite a fast car, lots of grip, and very, very forgiving. And on top of that, it's a manual. It's actually a manual, which just really makes it so much more involving the drive, obviously. So the best thing you can do is take your time, build up to it, and take that opportunity to build up your speed progressively in a natural way without forcing it. Follow that, and I think you'll be in much better stead than a lot of customers that turn up on our track days for the very first time.